Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Classic espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because there was nothing coming out through the group head. So no water flow coming out through the group head. And that was because the three-way sonar valve was just not doing its job by rerouting water through these little holes and letting water flow through the group head. So we replaced the three-way sonar valve and yeah, that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Just gonna be right back as I forgot to put coffee in the portafilter. Perfect. Now that I have water, coffee on the portafilter, let's purge a little bit the group head and insert our portafilter with coffee. Make sure it's very tight. There you go. And now let's do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right concentration of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And unfortunately, I did not pick up the right concentration of this machine. As you saw, it's a little bit faster. The flow of the portafilter is pretty fast. We did get a little bit of crema, and we did get a little bit of crema, which is good, but it was on the fast side. It could definitely be better by tampering and increasing the quantity of coffee in the portafilter. Now for the steamer, we're gonna test it out as well, and that we will conclude the test of this machine. Like I said, we just replaced the three-way sonar valve as this machine was having troubles pushing water through the group head. Okay, now that the steamer is ready, we're gonna test it out. And as you can see, steaming extremely well, working perfectly fine. Excellent flow coming out of the steam one. Good temperature, working excellent as you can see right there. And there you have it, Gaggia Classic working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.